Hey everyone, how are you doing? My name is Shu. In this video, I want to talk about passive income. Many people dream of retiring early and spend more time on what they truly love. Also, we dream of earning money while laying on the beach, or sleeping, or traveling. Well, passive income allows you to do both of these. So, what is passive income? It is money that you earn with little to no daily effort. That means you don't have to go to work anymore 5 days a week. You don't have to exchange your precious time and energy for a salary because your passive income earns it for you. I like to think of passive income as having your own vending machine. Suppose you want to sell your homemade lemonade. Without vending machines, you have to go to places and ask people to buy your lemonade. You might get a good amount of money, but this is time consuming and exhausting. So you decide to put a vending machine that sells your lemonade. Now you don't have to go to places to sell because the vending machine does it for you. Occasionally you might have to do some maintenance work and add new products to it, but other than that, you can spend your time doing whatever you like. That vending machine is the source of your passive income. To simply put, passive income gives you financial independence and freedom so that you can do what you really love. Some people think passive income as a foundation of wealth. Naval, who is one of my favorite people to follow on Twitter, says, "Seek wealth, not money or status. Wealth is having assets that earn while you sleep. Money is how we transfer time and wealth." So how do you build passive income? There are many ways to build passive income, but doing so most likely takes a very long time, as well as years of hard work. For instance, investing is one of the easiest options to create passive income source. It can give you a significant amount of return with little effort. To quote from Naval again, "You're not going to get rich renting out your time. You must own equity, a piece of a business, to gain your financial freedom." Another option is buying real estate and renting it out to tenants. If you can afford to hire a property management company for all the maintenance work for your property, this can be a solid passive income source. Other options that require less initial cost than purchasing real estate are creating a blog or YouTube channel. If you can make contents that are either educational, inspirational, or entertaining, your blog or channel will attract a lot of audience. You can then sell a part of your blog or channel for ads, which gives you another source of passive income. Finally, selling your knowledge or skills in the forms of books, ebooks, audiobooks, or online courses is a very popular method to build passive income. If you have extensive knowledge about something, for example, like video editing, designing, writing, or math, you can share it with others for a price. Many people tend to pursue jobs with a great salary, but that doesn't give you financial independence or freedom because you still have to go to work 9 to 5 times a week. Of course, some people like this lifestyle, but if you ever wished you could spend more time on doing what you truly love, perhaps building passive income is not a bad idea. It may sound difficult to build passive income at first, but you can start small, like building a blog or YouTube channel over a weekend. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!